Hi guys, my name is Samuel, Super Forex Technical Analyst. Today we shall be looking at Australian dollar versus Sweden krona on the 4 hours time frame. And today I shall be showing you how to use Fibonacci tool to identify and trade the market. The first step is to identify the trend. The second step is to identify the most significant swing low and swing high, or vice versa. The last step is to add a moving average, because it's not advised to use Fibonacci by themselves. Once we have established the swing low and swing high, we will now plot the Fibonacci tool. Let's add the Fibonacci. The Fibonacci tool will provide us with price levels, these ones here, that will help us predict a pullback or breakout. And we will be focusing on three levels. Which is 3.38.2, 50.0, and 61.8. Those are the three levels that we shall be focusing on today. And when the market is at these levels, we will look for further confirmation to pull the trigger and enter the market. There are lots of ways in which you can look for confirmation, but in this particular case we shall be using moving average. And do you know why? Because moving average acts as a dynamic level of support or resistance. Let's add the moving average. Go the trend moving average. The period we shall be using 50, and the method will be simple, and press OK. On this chart we can see that 38.2 level coincides with the moving average, this level here. Therefore we can say that there is a high probability that the price will find resistance at 38.2 retracement level. We shall be using the EMA as our resistance level. Now we can see there's a confluence between 50 EMA and 38.2 level. Therefore this adds a confirmation that the price will push further down. I hope this works for you. Thank you so much for watching.